Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting yourself the ability to change system power rules. This matters because Mac OS restricts sleep controls to admin users. Once done, plug the Mac into AC power so battery safeguards won't interfere, and open System Settings Battery or Energy Saver. Make sure Terminal is available because you'll use two tools: the GUI for persistent display settings and terminal commands for deeper control. This combination gives you both safe defaults and immediate, precise control over sleep behavior. So proceed now to change those settings. You now change the core settings. Open Energy/Battery and set the display and computer sleep timeouts to never. Disable automatic disk sleep and power nap. Once those are set, use Terminal to enforce system-wide rules. Sudo PM set asleep 0 display sleep 0. This ensures settings persist across reboots. To prevent sleep temporarily for a session, run caffeinate dims. That keeps display, system, and disks active while the process runs. Make sure to verify with PM set G so you confirm the new values are active. Finish by making settings resilient. If Mac OS reverts changes on update, create a small launch daemon script that reapplies your PM set commands at boot. This ensures persistence. Use hot corners or adaptive night shift to reduce display burn-in risk while never sleeping. If you encounter problems, sleep returns, or battery drains unexpectedly, check for apps overriding power assertions, disconnect peripherals, and inspect any MDM or profile that may force policies. If issues persist, reboot into safe mode and reapply settings to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.